Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you what are the late fees for the Citibank credit card. So I'm gonna let you know what are the late fees payments for the Citibank credit card. You just have to follow the steps. First of all, open up a browser and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So when you're logged in, that is going to take you to the official page. Now, in order to get to know about the late payment fees and all that, you have to open up a browser and type in online.citibank.co.in/credit card /MITS SOC. You'll be taken to this field where you'll be able to see all of the information. So accordingly, you go ahead and read the instructions, and here you'll be able to locate the detailed information regarding the late payment fees or the interest rate, all of that. So go through it, and likewise you'll have successfully got the answer for the late payment fees for Citibank credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.